What happens when one of the world's biggest banks quietly rolls out an AI assistant to 52,000 employees? Not in the future, not in theory, right now. UBS, the Swiss banking giant, is betting big on AI. And it's not a gimmick. They've built a custom AI system named Red, and it's already embedded across their US wealth division. Red isn't just a chatbot. It's a fully integrated assistant that helps financial advisors prep for meetings, answer complex client questions, and streamline everything from compliance to reporting. And UBS leadership says this is just the beginning. They're calling AI a strategic advantage, and they've devoted over 60% of their tech resources to productivity-driven AI tools. That's not hype, that's infrastructure. So why does this matter? Because banks don't experiment lightly, especially not when it comes to wealth management, one of the most trust-sensitive, high-stakes industries on Earth. If AI works here, it can work anywhere. The move is part of a growing trend. Major financial institutions aren't just investing in AI startups. They're building their own in-house tools, and they're doing it fast. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and HSBC are all exploring similar paths. But UBS is ahead of the curve. They're not just testing AI in the lab. They're deploying it on the front lines of customer relationships. Think about that for a second. Your financial advisor might soon rely on an AI to prep your portfolio, to flag your risks, to answer your questions faster than a human ever could. Is that efficiency or erosion? Some argue this boosts access to advice, lowers costs, and levels the playing field. Others say it's just another step toward removing the human element from money. Either way, it's happening. And if UBS succeeds, it could set the new global standard. A world where your banker, your analyst, your financial coach are all backed, guided, or even replaced by artificial intelligence. It's not science fiction, it's enterprise reality. And it raises some serious questions. Who's responsible when AI makes a bad call? Can algorithms really understand human financial goals? And in a crisis, do you want a machine answering the phone? UBS thinks the answer is yes, or at least yes with oversight. But if AI becomes the new co-pilot for wealth, how long before it takes the wheel? This is Silo Break, tracking the shift from old money systems to intelligent machines. Subscribe to stay ahead of the AI takeover. Drop your take below. Would you trust an AI with your portfolio? Or is this one bet the bank shouldn't make?